everyone. I am live on Facebook over here, Instagram over here. So bear with me because I got my notes in the middle because I don't want to miss telling you great news today. I'm Joanne Francis from Daily Skin Solutions, here to always bring you knowledge on how for you to get the best results from your investment in your skincare at the pharmaceutical or medical grade level. A lot of you have known me for many years, how I've helped you. That has not changed. Daily Skin Solutions is a remarkable pharmaceutical product line compared to anything else you have ever used at the same level, if not better. That's the results coming in from everyone that I've been helping. I am your skin coach for free. This is remarkable. Okay, I got a certain dollar. I want my skin to look better. I've got issues I want to prevent. I want to correct. Why not have a coach to help guide you? You are not obligated to buy anything, but I am certainly here to help you. You can reach me, call me or text me, 561-785-4012. This is for your free consultation, and then I'm here for you always. So today's subject is summer. We're in hot summer, especially here in Florida. Summer protection and prevention with Daily Skin Solutions, face and body. So for one product example, see the difference. 20% L-ascorbic acid, triple duty antioxidant formula. It also has blue light protection. We know that also ages us. Time released and has a 2+ year technology on its encapsulation stability. It's not going to go bad. Our products on Daily Skin Solutions do last you a long time, concentrated, not watered down. See, the difference is incredible. It is going to help you. It has also our CoQ10. It also has our butane, which acts by reducing tyrosinase activity. This is what induces inflammation and production of melanin or brown spots. See, the difference is remarkable. Our products, Daily Skin Solutions, is for every skin type and every skin condition. Now, Daily Skin Solutions Protection SPF. Which one is right for you? It's going to depend on lifestyle, also going to depend on what feel you like, and do you want coverage? Do you want something light? Are you outdoors? Are you indoors? This is remarkable. Daily Skin Solutions are SPFs, are broad spectrum, and they are all non-chemical. They're lightweight, they're anti-aging, and for, again, all skin types. So for example, silky is exactly how it feels. It's sheer, it's clear. It makes a nice makeup primer if you're wearing a foundation, and it is water and sweat resistant for 80 minutes. Sheer, it is highest zinc oxide on the market at 25%. This also is an eyedropper. It is very controlled. It is very nice and very sheer. Men and women both. Smooth is tinted. This is if you do want a little bit more of a mattifying or like a makeup appearance. It also helps to blur imperfections. So Daily Skin Solutions SPFs. The body SPF is remarkable as well. It is in a spray. It is a non-aerosol spray. It sprays and spreads smoothly, but it gives you great protection. Body SPF, Daily Skin Solutions. So it's also important to mention that we do give you, again, that free consultation. I don't want someone to have to try to guess what products is right for me. Should I pick one of the products and try it, return to volume? In order to get the best results, there is a protocol that needs to be in place. We do it right, we don't do it fast. We want you to get results for your investment. So you do want to have a proper cleanse and tone. This is going to set up the skin for any product to penetrate and also penetrate evenly for a good pH balance in the skin. I'm getting off track here, but that's okay because I'm giving good information. The right preparation. Also for repair, barrier repair cream. This is important for everyone to be on. And it depends. We may not start you there, but we will get you there. This is a restorative cream to repair the skin barrier. Remember, the patented delivery system, these products go down to the dermal epidermal junction of the skin to where it is needed for repair, correction, and stimulation. It improves elasticity, firmness, texture, fine lines, wrinkles, and hydration. You want to prevent with your sunscreen and your vitamin C's to prevent aging, but you also want to help to repair aging that has already been done. It's never too late. We've proven that. For the body, also we have the anti-aging body lotion, which I use in the evening. This is an all-trans retinol. The body hydrating cream for the morning is to maintain healthy skin barrier function for the body. Now, if you go to www.dailyskinsolutions.com, you're able to see all benefits, descriptions, and all ingredients, prices, everything. You just, where to start? Again, please reach out to me. www.dailyskinsolutions.com, or you're also welcome to call for your free consultation. Daily Skin Solutions, you can reach me at 561-785-4012. Everyone knows that I have been a medical esthetician for over 35 years in the industry. Everyone knows that I've worked with the top dermatologists, pathologists, pharmacists, chemists in the industry. We're not here to just give you okay results. We're here to give you the maximum results that I can help you with. So Daily Skin Solutions is the highest quality of skincare formulations, FDA registered for stability and safety, for higher strength active ingredients. Highest percentage of pharmaceutical grade green tea at 90%, not industrial grade, but pharmaceutical grade. Helps to reduce redness. So if you're using an anti-aging program that is a little bit more aggressive, like me at 63 years old, I want to help to eliminate a lot of the redness and irritation that comes along with it. There's patents in stabilized delivery systems and much more. So there's so much more. So definitely check out our benefits ingredients at dailyskinsolutions.com. Don't forget for your free consultation, 561-785-4012. I am here to help you as your skin coach to guide you to the best benefits and results that you want to achieve for your investment. Good, great, or better skin. That's what I'm here for. Joanne Francis here at Daily Skin Solutions. Thank you everyone for joining me on Instagram and Facebook. I am here for you. I look forward to help guiding you. Thank you everybody. Please like and share these videos to reach those who have not found us yet, but are frustrated with whatever they're using for whatever reason and would like guidance. I'm here to help you. Thank you everyone for joining me. Talk to you soon.